Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students. Our lesson today for the first prep, subtraction of rational numbers. To know how to subtract two rational numbers, we will use adding two rational numbers to deduce the method that we can use it to subtract. The first, we will use the number line to get this number. Negative 2 over 3 plus what equal negative 7 over 3. Start from 0 up till negative 2 over 3 and stop here. And stop here. Add what to get negative 7 over 3. Count with me how many steps we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We move 5 steps in the left direction. So here I will get a negative 5 over 3. So when I subtract negative 7 over 3 minus negative 2 over 3, the result it will be negative 5 over 3. So when we subtract two rational numbers in the form of A over B minus C over D, I can use the addition operation. A over B minus C over D, I can put A over B as it and add to the additive inverse of C over D. But A over B minus C over D is equal A over B plus the additive inverse of C over B. Notice that here I have negative 7 and negative C over D. Example. Example number 1, calculate the value of each of the following in its simplest form. Example letter A. Letter A, here I have 9 over 2 minus 13 over 4. As we said before, to add or subtract two rational numbers, we must have the same denominator. So you will get the lowest common multiple of the denominator. 2 and 4, so the lowest common multiple is 4. Here I have 4, but here I have 2. So I will convert 2 to be 4. Multiply by 2, up and down. 2 times 9 is equal 2 times 9 is equal 18. 2 times 2, 4 plus negative 13 over 4. Notice here I have minus, but here I have plus. Plus what? Plus the additive inverse of 13 over 4. Here negative 13 over 4. Again 9 over 2 minus 13 over 4. The first step, we get the lowest common multiple and the denominator is the same. 2 becomes 4. Multiply by 2, up and down. After that, minus, it will be plus. And 13 over 4 gets the additive inverse of it, equal negative 13 over 4. After that, add by using the usual method of adding. 18 over 4 plus negative 13 over 4. The same denominator, 4. The same denominator, 4. Here, positive number plus negative number. 18 plus negative 13. 18 or 13, which is the greater? 18 more than 13. So, the result, it will be positive. After that, the difference between 18 and 13 is equal 5. So, the result is equal 5 over 4. Example letter B. Negative 3 and 2 over 3 minus 2 and 5 over 6. By the same way, we will get the lowest common multiple between the denominators, 3 and 6 is equal 6. Here negative 3 and 2 over 3. Okay, minus 2 and 5 over 6. 6 is it. اهو يبقى negative 2 and 5 over 6 is it. طيب negative 3 and 2 over 3, 3 it will be 6, so we will multiply it by 2 up and down. طيب the whole number is it. Negative 3 is it. Negative 3 is it. 2 times 2 is equal 4 and 2 times 3 is equal 6. Minus is equal, or it will be plus. Minus it will be plus. Plus what? Plus the additive inverse of 2 and 5 over 6 اللي هي negative 2 and 5 over x. يبقى عندي هنا again negative 3 and 2 over 3 convert يا مس يبقى 2 times 2 3 times 2. ليه times 2؟ عشان اوصل ل 6. after that was negative او minus. هنا عندي minus طبعا اللي هو بيقول لي هنا ال subtraction operation يبقى minus it will be plus. طب plus what? the same number? no, the additive inverse of this number اللي هو negative 2 and 5 over 6. after that down negative 3, 2 times 2 is equal 4, 3 times 2 is equal 6, plus down plus negative 2 and 5 over 6. after that add the whole numbers. Add the whole numbers. Negative 3 plus negative 2. Negative 3 plus negative 2. Two numbers with two similar signs. يبقى negative plus negative is the result. It will be negative. After that 3 plus 2 is equal 5. Attention here please. 4 over 6 and negative 5 over 6. يبقى النيجاتيف دي مع الهول نمبر ومع الفراكشن. يبقى 4 over 6 plus negative 5 over example letter B, negative 3 and 2 over 3 minus negative 2 and 5 over 6. The first step we will get the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6 اللي هما denominators طبعا is equal 6. Okay, first put negative 3 and 2 over 3, 3 it will be 6, you will multiply by 2 up and down. After that minus it will be plus. Plus what? Plus the additive inverse of 2 and 5 over 6 هي negative 2 and 5 over 6. After that down the whole number negative 3, 2 times 2 is equal 4 and 3 times 2 is equal 6. Down plus and negative 2 and 5 over 6. After that add negative plus negative, the result it will be negative. Negative plus negative, the result will be negative. As we said before, 3 plus 2 is equal 5. Add the fractions. The same denominator is 6 and 4 plus 5 is equal 9. Negative 5 and 9 over 6. طبعا احنا عارفين الميكسد number. The result here in the form of mixed number. طب mixed number is a whole number and proper fraction. يبقى numerator must be less than the denominator. Okay, 9 over 6 is equal what in the simplest form. ناخد بالنا انه قال قبل كده in the simplest form. يبقى divided by 3 divided by 3. 5 and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal, sorry, 9 divided by 3 is equal 3 and 6 divided by 3 is equal 2. طيب زي ما قلنا كده proper fraction ده improper 3 over 2. يبقى 3 over 2 لو اخدتها كده بره is equal 1 and 1 over 2. خد ال 1 and 1 over 2 طبعا هنا يبقى هنا هاخد 1 هنا يبقى نيجاتيف 6. يبقى معايا هنا خد بالك ان النيجاتيف مع 3 over 2 يبقى هنا نيجاتيف، هنا نيجاتيف يبقى نيجاتيف 1 and half بلس نيجاتيف 5 يبقى نيجاتيف 6 and half. Okay. Exercise again, number 1. Put true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect one. Letter A, 9 over 16 minus negative 3 over 4 is equal 9 and 9 over 16 plus negative 3 over 4 type. Okay, look at the left hand side. 9 over 16 here, 9 over 16 plus, sorry, minus 12b plus what? Plus the additive inverse of negative 3 over 4. The additive inverse of negative 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. وانا عندي هنا negative. So this statement is false. Letter B. Negative 3 and 1 over 6 minus bracket هنا negative 7 and 1 over 12. By the same way, negative 3 and 1 over 6 is the same. Minus 12b plus what? Plus the additive inverse of this number اللي هو negative 7 and 1 over 12. Its additive inverse 7 and 1 over 12. So this statement is true. Letter C. 0 minus negative 13 over 5. Okay. 0. طب لو انا جبت الدرافت بتاعتي كده عايز اعمل minus, we will put the first number as it يبقى 0 minus it will be plus negative 13 over 5 الاديتيف inverse يبقى 13 over 5. So the result it will be 13 over 5. طب look at the result here is 13 over 5. So this statement is true. Letter D. Negative 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 is equal. Okay, the first step, the first number is it, negative 3 over 4, negative 3 over 4 minus here becomes plus يبقى additive inverse of 2 over 5 على طول. لا يا كتبت 2 over 5 only, so this statement is false. Our lesson is finished. Thank you.